How to get back old Instagram chat theme. If you are looking to revert to your classic Instagram chat theme, then follow these simple steps. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram app, tap on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen and choose the chat where you want to change the theme of. Now all you have to do is tap on the contact's name at the top of the screen to open the chat settings. Then once you open the chat settings, all you have to do is tap on the theme option available there. Then again, once you tap on the theme, you will get to see many themes option available there. Scroll down. Now from there, tap on the ocean theme option available there and simply tap on the ocean and confirm the change. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.